Exploring adverbs of place, right to navigate. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. They include words like here, there, upstairs, downstairs, inside, outside, and so on. But don't just memorize these words. Let's learn how to use them effectively in context. Before we jump into our writing prompts, let's ensure we truly understand what adverbs of place are. These are words that give us information about the location of an action in a sentence. Whether you're running upstairs, hiding inside, or moving elsewhere, the adverbs of place are your linguistic GPS, providing crucial details about where the action is happening. Now that we've defined adverbs of place, let's practice spotting them in sentences. For example, she searched everywhere for her lost phone. Let's meet upstairs in the library. He looked outside, but the cat had already disappeared. Each bolded word is an adverb of place, indicating where the action took place. Alright, it's time to put your knowledge into practice with some writing prompts. Remember, our aim is to practice using adverbs of place in our sentences. 1. Prompt 1. Write about your ideal vacation. Where would you go? What would you do there? 2. Prompt 2. Describe a memory from your childhood home. Where did your favorite activities take place? 3. Prompt 3. Imagine you're a character in a fantasy novel. Where would your adventures lead you? Try to use at least one adverb of place in each sentence you write. For example, on my ideal vacation, I would relax outside by a crystal clear beach. After you've written a response to each prompt, review your work. Look for the adverbs of place in your sentences. Are they used correctly? Do they provide clear information about the location of the action? Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't worry if you need to revise your sentences or try the exercise again. That's all for today's exploration of adverbs of place. Remember, these powerful words can transport your readers anywhere, from the top of a towering castle to the heart of a bustling city. Keep practicing with these prompts and soon using adverbs of place will become second nature. Thanks for joining, and we hope this video has been a helpful guide on your journey to master English grammar. Until next time, keep exploring and keep writing.